Welcome to Use Academy. Today we are going to study the Class 5 Science. Chapter 6 Force and Machines and Chapter 7 Properties and Behavior of Light, which is useful in JST, LAT and SPSC and FPSC exams of science portion containing all information from SIN textboard. Chapter 6 Force and Machine. A force that stops things from moving easily is called friction. Friction is a force which always opposes motion. Frictional forces are larger on rough surfaces. Frictional forces are smaller on smooth surfaces. Frictional forces between the air and a moving object cause resistance. The force that opposes any object moving through the air is called air resistance. A force of attraction between two objects is called gravity. The quantity of matter in an object is called mass. Mass is measured in kilograms, kilogram. The force of gravity acting on a body is called weight. Weight is the pull of gravity. Weight is measured in newtons, N. What is used to measure weight? Spring balance. What is used to measure mass? Beam balance. A machine is a device that helps us to do work more easily. A lever is a long bar which moves around a fixed point called fulcrum. A lever is a kind of simple machine. How many kinds of levers are there? 3 kinds: first, second, and third class levers. In a first class lever, the fulcrum is between effort and load. In a second class lever, the load is between effort and fulcrum. In a third class lever, the effort is between load and fulcrum. Give examples of a first class lever. Seesaw, scissors, crowbar. Give examples of a second class lever. Wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Give examples of a third class lever. Tongs, fishing rod, human arm. A type of simple machine with 2 slanting sides ending in a sharp edge is called wedge. Give examples of a wedge. Knife, axe, chisel, nail. A simple machine with a sloping surface used to lift heavy objects easily is called inclined plane. Give examples of inclined planes. Ramp, staircase, ladder. A wheel with a groove and rope used to lift loads is called pulley. A machine that helps move or rotate objects easily is called wheel and axle. A simple machine made from an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder is called screw. Give examples of screws. Jar lid, drill, bolt. How do simple machines help us? They make work easier by reducing effort or changing direction of force. How many main types of simple machines are there? 6 types. Name the 6 simple machines. Lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge, screw. What does friction help us to do? Walk, hold things, and stop vehicles. What are disadvantages of friction? Causes wear and tear, heat, and energy loss. What keeps planets in their orbits around the sun? Gravity. Which shape helps reduce air resistance? Streamlined shape. Who discovered the law of gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. What is the standard unit of force? Newton, N. What is used to measure force? Spring balance. What is mechanical advantage? The number of times a machine multiplies the applied effort. Why are simple machines important in daily life? They save effort, time, and make work faster and easier. Chapter 7 Properties and Behavior of Light. Light is a form of energy. Light travels in a straight line. An object which produces and emits its own light is called luminous. An object that does not produce light but it reflects light that comes from luminous object is called non-luminous. How many seconds does the sun take to convert over 657 million tons of hydrogen into 653 million tons of helium? 1 second. The missing 4 million tons of mass are discharged into space. How much heat and light does Earth receive from 4 million tons of mass? 2 billionths. The process through which the sun releases energy is called nuclear fusion. When light rays bounce back, it is called reflection. The smooth surface that reflects light regularly is called mirror. The angle at which light hits the mirror is called angle of incidence. The angle at which light bounces off is called angle of reflection. According to the law of reflection, angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. Objects that allow light to travel through them are called transparent objects. Objects that allow some light to travel through them are called translucent objects. Objects that do not allow light to travel through them are called opaque objects. Speed of light in a vacuum is 300 million meters per second, 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. When light is blocked by opaque objects, what is formed on the opposite side of the object? Shadow. Shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the light source. The size and shape of a shadow depend on the distance and angle of the light source. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between Earth and Sun. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between Moon and Sun. During a solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon falls on Earth. During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the Earth falls on Moon. How many phases of the moon are there? 8. The first phase of the moon when it begins to appear is called waxing crescent moon. The last phase of the moon when it disappears is called waning crescent moon. The moon completes one revolution around Earth in about 29.5 days. The band of 7 colors produced when light passes through a prism is called spectrum. The 7 colors of light are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, ROYGBIV. The instrument that separates white light into its colors is called prism. The study of light is called optics. A mirror image is laterally inverted. Left appears right. Light can travel through vacuum. Light cannot travel through opaque objects. Thank you for watching our video at the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates, and if you have any suggestions, comment and tell us.